Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get $1,000 in free PayPal money in less than an hour of work. But before that, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Now, the strategy we're going to talk about today is for complete beginners, so if you're just getting started, this could be the ideal opportunity for you. No prior experience or abilities are required in order for this to work. I'm going to show you how to make sure you're not leaving money on the table. In other words, how you can maximize your earnings and generate huge amounts of profit by completing simple tasks. And more importantly, this will all be done remotely, allowing you to start earning money online from the comfort of your own home. This means that it doesn't matter where you reside in the world. As long as you have internet connection, you can still make some additional money. But before I show you all of that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, click on that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first site we'll visit is Respondent.io. This company has been in the business for a long time and also one of the most trusted in this line of work. These guys specialize in customer service and research. And huge companies just go to their website and pay a specific amount of money to have surveys completed for them. But I'll show you how you may play a key role in that process and earn a sizable portion of the revenue generated by this website. Now, as they briefly stated on their website, their primary focus is on product research, exploratory research, competitive analysis, business research, consumer research, and persona research. They also have a number of well-known partners including Oracle, Airbnb, Microsoft, and a few more major corporations. But you don't want to start a research campaign right now. Instead, you want to make some additional money online in a quick and easy approach. So go to the top of the website and select the Respondents button right here. So there you have it. Basically, on this website, you will be paid to assist cutting-edge projects come to life. But don't think that you need any kind of expertise to start earning money on this website, because I'm going to show you how to make significant amounts of money with no experience and no skills whatsoever. They also briefly outline the process on their homepage, stating that you will verify your profile, get matched, participate, and then be paid. But I'll go into more details about that in a moment so that you will have a complete grasp of how this process works and how to make it work for you. Because so many people do it wrong when they connect to Respondent.io, and I don't want you to be one of them. With that in mind, I'd like you to go to the top of the page on the right-hand side and click on Get Started, which will take you to a form where you can sign up as a researcher or as a participant. And as we've already established, we're not interested in the first category. So instead, we'll click on this one. You can sign up using your Facebook or LinkedIn account, as well as your email address. But it's important that you input a legitimate email address that you know the password to, because you'll need to confirm your email address in order to participate in specific projects. Once you've logged in into your account, go to the dashboard section and click that link to be redirected here. As you can see, there are a lot of projects that you can get involved in right now, but not all of them are equally profitable. And I'll show you how to filter them so you don't miss any opportunities to make money. Now, if you look at the filter area right here, you can see that there are two possibilities for audience. You can either select industry professional if you have certain qualifications or general population if you don't. But if you're a teenager with no experience in any industry, don't worry. You can simply choose the second choice, which will not be a problem because, as you can see, there are still some projects in which you can participate. But one of the most important features here is that you have two options for project type: in-person or remote. If you choose the first option, you will be required to travel to a specific location, which will be time-consuming, so I don't want you to waste your time and instead click on remote right here. There hasn't been much of a difference in terms of available projects, but as you can see, some of them are pretty lengthy. Some take 60 minutes, while others only take 15 minutes. So here is a trick that most people are not aware of. If you check here, you should see that you also have this part entitled by time in minutes, and if you click on that, you should be able to set the project's length. Now, if you only want to spend 15 minutes on the project, you might as well select that. So let's go up to 15 minutes, and that is how much time we'll spend. As you can see, there are still quite a decent number of results that are organized by 15 minutes of your time. Now right here, as you can see, some of them pay you $30, $25, $50, or even $100. But some of them are not as rewarding, so $5 might not be worth your time. What you can do is go over the compensation rates here and look at more of these all the way up to say 100, or perhaps retain it at 25 because that is still a good rate. Let's take this one notch down. So let's say we're looking for projects that pay between $25 and $100. And as you can see, there are still plenty of projects that you can get involved in. Let's say you do 20 of them, each of which pays $50. You'd still make $1,000 in that instance, and none of them take more than 30 minutes of your time, so I believe it's a great bargain. Now, some of these projects require you to be a specific audience in order to be considered. For example, some of the projects here are seeking for Russian speakers. But if you don't speak Russian, don't worry, you still have a lot of possibilities. This one, for instance, is seeking feedback on their application. When we click on it, we can see that they want you to record and share your experiences with them, both the good and the bad. And this one doesn't require expertise at all. All you have to do is record yourself and share your thoughts about their app. So $25 for just 15 minutes of work, and you can do this over and over again. Imagine the possibilities. But that isn't the only thing you can do in Respondent.io. To make more money with your time, you can also participate in their referral program. This is not like the typical ones that offer you a percentage anytime one of your friends join the website. Instead, every referral bonus is $50, and that will be sent to you via PayPal, as they describe it here. Basically, if you convince someone to sign up for Respondent.io and that person starts taking surveys, you'll get $50. Now, one of the possible method is to go to your friends and invite them to sign up and start taking surveys. But I'm going to teach you how to leverage this method and earn continuously. In order to achieve that, go to Trendry.com, which is basically a forum for people interested in making money online. They have all of these subsections here, such as money-making ideas, make money surveys, affiliate programs, and so on. But what you want to do is go to this section, which is called Paid Surveys, or also the Review a Product section. So right now, let's go to the surveys part. And there are around 70 pages of different articles or announcements, whatever you want to call them. The majority of people who have connected with this website are already interested in making money online, which is a significant advantage for you. Once you have an account in Respondent.io, they will send you an affiliate link and you can post it in a new topic here. Now, instead of spamming the internet with your link, try to build your trust because that is the most important thing. If you can build trust with other people, you will be able to drive audience and traffic to your link. And if they sign up and start taking surveys for extra money, you will receive a commission. So you'd have to register and establish an account with an email address and a password and all of that boring stuff. But once you've done that, I'll teach you how to use the template to make this work. Now you could say something like this: so I recently stumbled upon this website that appeared to be a waste of time at first, but as I started completing surveys, I ended up securing a bag of $50 on the first day and $75 on the second. I've been using it for the past few weeks and it's been generating money every single day. The surveys don't take up a lot of your time and are normally a very simple process, so go ahead and take a look. Now this is the most important part, since this is where you paste your affiliate link, which will bring people to your affiliate link and you earn a $50 commission. Now, if you simply copy the link and paste it on various forums, no one will click on it. You might get 2 or 3 people to click on it, but they will not sign up or complete the surveys, wasting your time and leading you to believe that there is no way to make money online. This is not true. You simply need to build your trust, and after you've done so efficiently, you will be able to make money online. Well guys, I recommend that you start with the surveys and finish a couple to see how much money you can make. After that, you can take advantage of their referral program, but whichever route you select, it is critical that you take action because that is the only way to make any money. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. And I'll see you in the next video.